A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, round and bright. C for cat, soft and small. D for doll, pretty and fair. E for egg, white and round. F for fish, in water it plays. G for goat, with tiny feet. H for hat, big and wide. I for ice, cold and nice. J for jug, full of juice. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, strong and loud. M for moon, shines at night. N for nest, in the tree. O for orange, round and sweet. P for parrot, green and bright. Q for queen, wears a crown. R for rabbit, hops so fast. S for sun, yellow and hot. T for train, chut-chut sound. U for umbrella, big and round. V for van, strong and wide. W for watch, tick and talk. X for xylophone, tap and play. Y for yak, with furry hair. Z for zebra, black and white.